Here now with Ken Hughes. He is the Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Cosen Saws. How's it going, Ken?
Great. It's great to be in Philadelphia at another GAWDA convention.
Very good. Hey, so when I think of Cosen Saws, I think of big ticket items. Talk about some of those big ticket items that distributors are able to buy from you.
So we have a lot of variety of saws. We stock about 44 different saws in North America. We have anywhere from production cutting to mitering cutting, vertical, horizontal machines. A lot of our saws are going to be in an expense range of $30,000 and above for production machines, but we do make utility saws for the maintenance shops and the small fabrication shops that are in anywhere from $6,000 up to $20,000.
Okay, very good. And you know, some of the people, maybe they do know you pretty well. Of the people that know you pretty well, what would be something that you'd point to that maybe they don't know about you?
The biggest thing with Cosen is we sell through a lot of independent distribution, whether it's cutting tool channel or welding supply channel. But we also have a program where we protect our distributors for the work they're going to do, and that protection's for 90 days. We won't allow anybody to quote or sell that machine to that end user that's been protected by the distributor.
Excellent. I know they love to hear that. Talk about some of the value that you guys bring, aside from just the products that you offer. What kind of value do you guys bring to the table when you're dealing with a distributor?
We're a family-run business. We very much believe in having inventory, supporting the customer, doing what it takes to be involved with them and making the right decision. And we also have 23 salespeople that are available throughout the U.S. to help make sales calls, to look at the applications, make sure that the right saw is being recommended for what the customer is cutting.
All right, there you have it. That's a great update. Thank you so much, Ken, for all that you do for us at GAWDA Media and for what you do for GAWDA coming to these events. Always great to see you and Hudson. All right, perfect. Give a shout out. All right, well, great to see you guys.
Thanks so much.
And thank you.
The opportunity.
All righty.